So let's take a look at the Coffee Shop Employee Handbook. Now, if you're trying to grow your coffee shop, then you obviously have to do it through others. There's no point in trying to do it all yourself. So if you really want to improve your coffee shop significantly, then one of the first things you should be doing is detailing the requirements of how your coffee shop operates through an employee handbook. So the simplest way to create an employee handbook would be to use something like Microsoft Word. You can quickly generate a handbook and you can hand it to new employees, or you can email it to new employees. You could also even have a desktop station within the back area of your coffee shop so that your staff can search for procedures and processes on how to complete their job. So basically kick it off with something basic, just using Microsoft Word, such as this Coffee Shop Employee Handbook. So you can see this one here. You want to introduce your business to any new employees, and that's just simply going through a welcome to your coffee shop from you, the owner. Then you can talk maybe a little bit about who you are, such as the history of your company, your vision and mission statement. It could be quite simple for a coffee shop. You want to try and, for example, you want to try and provide distinct quality and great customer service to all of your customers. So you can simply go through and choose a mission statement and a vision for your small coffee shop. Then you can talk about customer fulfillment. This is obviously a priority if you're trying to build a business that has customers. Some of the other sections, such as defining your values. This is important for any new employees coming in. You want to set the bar to ensure that your employees meet your requirements and your expectations as coffee shop owner. It makes it difficult when you get employees coming in and they have their own values and goals. So it's a good idea to outline what your values are and try and get the employees that want to embrace your values as well. Some other sections are just how to use the manual, general coffee shop details, and these are things just for information for new team members, such as the address and all your company details, roles and expectations, structure and team members, of course, reporting relationships, workplace requirements such as how to be professional, what the dress code is, tips, employee meals, how to serve alcohol if you're serving alcohol through your coffee shop, basics like leave and sick leave, which are pretty important for your team, and just all the general workplace requirements. Then health and safety is also a very important aspect which you'd want to include in your employee manual. Talking about accidents and evacuations, and then workplace equipment, talking about what needs to be, how you need to operate the equipment, such as cleaning or anything like that. And then you can get stuck into the employee's procedures introduction. So these are specifics, so how to open the coffee shop, how to close the coffee shop, how to answer the phone, how to provide excellent customer service, those types of things that your team needs to know. So there's a few basic ones there to start things off. So an employee handbook is certainly going to make a difference to getting your team on board. This one is very easy to add to, but it creates a base plan to kick things off in your coffee shop.